Hey, so as you can see here, a TV mounted on drywall, but many people asked whether you can mount this TV in a vertical mode. Well, can you do it? Let me just remove this TV for a while. And can you mount this TV this way? What do you do for that? Well, do you need to place this TV mount, this one, vertically? No, you don't do that, alright? If you place this TV mount vertically, you won't be able to mount anything after that, alright? So I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. Alright, so to mount your TV in a vertical way, the solution lies here. Alright, this is the back TV bracket. This is what you must amend to mount your TV in a vertical way. So you gotta remove, this is normally placed bracket, so I'm gonna remove this. So then removing that, what you do now is, you just turn these two TV brackets this way and place them onto the VESA holes this way, so that you can have your TV mounted in a vertical way. Alright, so I'm gonna do it now, and because this TV bracket has, this TV VESA is a bit odd, I'm gonna do it higher and just place the VESA brackets and place the screws now. So we're done placing the brackets, and this time we are placing the brackets this way, okay, horizontally. Okay, and now we are able to mount your TV in a vertical way. So after placing the vertical brackets behind here this way, what you can do now is just hang your TV on the mount. There you go, place the safety screws, and you are now able to mount your TV in a vertical way. So that is how you mount a TV in a portrait or a vertical position.